This is
Grandstand Gossip from the Grandstand to the Group Chat.
Grandstand Girl. So wait. So tita. Welcome to episode 4! Episode 4. Wala po yung namin, resident wives and fashion expert.
Correct. Naka siya ngayon? Ano sabi mo nga?
Naka-leave of absence.
Naka-leave of absence
She's
or...
working or hardly working.
Correct. Double pay.
Double pay. On a Sunday.
On a Sunday.
Baka naman says.
Anyhow.
We're here now to talk about the race in Azerbaijan, the Baku GP.
Yes!
You watched it live with me, live telecast.
Correct.
How was it for you?
How was it?
Yes.
Masaya siya kasi nandun ka. Plus, pero yun nga.
Masigaw ko.
Correct.
Wala naman nangyayari sa pagsigaw.
Masaya siya. Tsaka first time ko manood ng
This
F1 na ever. F1 na hindi Australia.
GP. Yes.
So, interesting. Ang ganda ng Baku. Like,
I told you, right? Like, I feel like I want to
yung mga
watch
castle, yung mga structure, parang...
Tapos yung building, futuristic building na parang you never see it anywhere else.
Correct.
Diba?
Yung contrast ng mga ano. Ganda punta tayo doon.
And I think it's much economical as well.
Ah, really?
Yes.
Tapos daan ka na ng Turkey.
That's the point. That's the drive. Yes. So what happened in Baku? Let's start with the qualifying. So the qualifying actually lasted for 2 hours. So which is not the typical qualifying session.
Ilang oras ba usually dapat?
So usually it's 15 minutes per Q1, Q3, Q2, Q3. So mga 45 minutes. 45 minutes in total yung qualifying session. Tops, ganyan.
Ito halos dumoble.
Yes.
Kasi?
Because of all the red flags. So there were 6 red flags.
Mm-hmm.
Record-breaking actually. 4
really?
lang dati yung max na red flag in a qualified.
Ano ba, umuulan or anything?
No, there was I think what they're complaining about is the gust of wind. So if they, because the F1 cars are so light, so and very sensitive, and they're very aerodynamic, right? So ayun, gust of wind sa tail, sa front, it makes them. So there's 6 red flags, 6 crashes. So
Sino-sino yung mga yun?
It was Albon first, Q1 out of Q1 already. It was actually a shame for Albon in hindsight because Carlos is in podium, right? So it's always performing very well for Williams. So if he hasn't had a bad qualifying, he might also, be there. But anyway, so Albon was the first incident, and then there's Nico Hülkenberg.
Yep.
And then the 2 Alpines, so Pierre and Franco. It was funny because Pierre was parked because he kind of slightly crashed or hit the wall, and then Franco was coming and he was actually saying to the team, "Oh, I think Pierre crashed," and then he crashed. So just like so then, and then Q2, the biggest name in Q2, he didn't crash, but Hamilton only qualified 12. So
yep.
Quite disappointing. And then Q3, so the top 10 cars, that's their qualifying session. Charles crashed.
Okay.
Which is, I was hoping that we would see another qualifying masterclass from him. He's the Baku specialist.
Okay.
He had his, 4 straight qualifying poles. But never converted. That's another thing. But Charles, so he's now P10.
Yep.
He crashed. After he crashed, it was already exciting when you look at the positions. Carlos was first. He's got the provision pole. And then Piastri crashed. The world champion crashed. So he's 9.
Okay.
So everyone was expecting Lando to qualify
Step up,
higher and step up.
Mm.
But then he was the first who went in the track
McLaren.
after the red flag session, and he was stopped there. But then he tumbled down the order when Max went, Kimi went, George went. So the final positions after qualifying is Max on pole, and there's Carlos on the second.
The moment na minessage mo ako doon, girl,
Yes.
sabi ko, I got it. You're cooking. I got it, that's it.
Bella's cooking with her predictions.
After like, wala na. Even na yun. That's
So Max on pole, Carlos on second, and then Liam Lawson on third. So his highest qualifying position as well. And for the Racing Bulls as well. And then Carlos is second is the highest Williams qualifying position.
Okay. Sino yung
in
fourth?
recent years. Kimi and
okay.
He out-qualified George
George.
this weekend, but then George was seriously ill. Yeah, I'm surprised he get to drive, but he's okay during the race, but he was very ill Friday. So that it was set up to be an exciting grid, right? So my hopes were high.
Paano naging exciting? Yung mga...
No, because the favorites were out of place. So Hamilton was on 12, then Charles on 10, tapos si Oscar on 9, tapos si Lando 7.
So inisip mo
I was hoping
sila.
that they would come through the grid, and there will be lots of overtaking, and then they will, race with
Battle
each
it out,
other.
basically,
Exactly.
yeah. And then, the actual race, anong nangyari?
No, expectation versus reality.
Correct. Unahin na lang natin yung pinakamadali, yung pinaka-max just.
Max, after he led, first lap, nagka-casualty si Oscar, nag-crash, di ba?
I-expand natin yun mamaya. O may
Yes,
i-expand ba yun o wala na?
Wala naman, pwede naman pag-usapan. Wala naman si JJ dito, so
Kaya
pag-usapan. Ayun, so, but after the session, the safety car ended, Max led all throughout, never looked back.
Correct. Ano ang tawag mo sa
Grand
kanya?
Chelem. Grand Chelem. So, pole position, led all the laps, so 100% of all of the laps led.
Parang Grand Slam, basically,
Yes.
ng awards.
And then, fastest lap after fastest lap, sabi mo nga bored siya.
He was beating his own record. Parang, ano gagawin ko dito?
So, I'm just gonna do my fastest lap.
Kaya siya kalayo dun sa
32 seconds.
Ay, oo. Sabi ni Damien, pwede siyang mag-pit, uminom, tumika.
Could have stayed there for a while and rest. But no, he wanted to do fastest lap.
Correct.
So yeah, and then race win. So Grand Chelem, si Max.
Congrats, Max!
A league of his own.
Ano ay term mo sa kanya? He was riding on...
Onto the sunset.
Onto the sunset. Wala na.
Bye guys!
Hindi na siya maisama sa camera eh. Ang tayo niya talaga.
At one point, right? Oh, I just si Max! Max!
Pag siya nakafocus, wala ka makikita ibang sasakyan sa tabi niya. Anyhow. And then, tayo sa mga midfielders.
Before that, just to highlight how Max is on a different level. He has no race break. He was still racing ever since Zandvoort, ever since
Maybe
the Dutch
sabihin he's still
round.
racing.
So, kasi diba may breaks sa F1.
Okay.
So, it's not every weekend naman yung F1 race after but he was racing during those breaks. I think after Monza, he raced in GT4, Gran Turismo 4, as a rookie to qualify for GT3. He needs to get his license there. And he was handicapped kasi rookie nga siya, so he was like slower than everyone else. But then he still qualified and got his license. And then this weekend, he raced in GT3 in a Ferrari car and then won on his first race. Can you imagine?
Fall back kayo, just in case.
He just wants to, win everything.
Correct.
So when he's racing, he's not racing in F1, he's still racing.
So ano na niya talaga yun? Pastime niya is racing. Full-time job. That's the best life.
Still racing. Yes.
Congratulations, Max.
So hats off.
Correct.
Hats off to him. Yes. Yes. And now, let's go to the honorable mentions. the midfielders. Who stood out for you when you were watching?
Ay, dahil hiyaw ka na kasi ng hiyaw. Tsaka si Sonoda, tsaka si Lawson. Number one, as in, I think I've mentioned in previous episode, I'm not a Lawson fan.
Oh, it was so obvious when I was editing the Effort in the Dark, guys. Like Bella's comments. Oh my goodness.
Kasi may time na parang ang taas niya, bumaba siya ulit kasi nag-beat na parang gano'n. Yung parang gusto ko lang siyang malaglag talaga. Malaglag. Tapos, ayun, yung race nila ni Sonoda.
Yes.
I love
We love Yuki. We're a Yuki fanatic.
Correct.
I would like to give credit to Liam Lawson. Then can you...
Masuloy mo na to.
Yeah!
Joke lang.
No, he did. He rode very well. He defended well. He didn't put a wrong foot throughout the race. Can you imagine being the DRS train leader? He held up like, look, for so long.
Give us the part. Kasi nasa likod niya.
I was shouting all this time just for like Lurk to overtake him, right?
Kasi may mga nasa likod niya na talagang gusto.
So it was Lawson and then Sonoda, Red Bull, who's a faster car than his racing. And then Lando.
Okay.
And then Lando, and then Hamilton, and then Leclerc. So the pressure was on him.
To be fair, I mean,
he kept it cool.
Isipin mo na yun yung mga taong humahabol sa'yo sa likod. So,
Exactly.
maybe it was anong tawag mo din, drive niya.
Yes, it was, and it was his highest position finish.
Okay.
Even when he was in the Red Bull.
Bigyan natin.
Yes, so let's give credit to Leah.
Exactly.
He raced well during that Baku GP weekend.
Ba dapat lang, no? Ano siya? Third ba siya sa starting?
Yeah, he was still disappointed when he was interviewed because he wanted to keep the podium, but then, yeah.
Oh,
George is another honorable mention. But we can talk about George.
Ano nga? Si George. Okay.
But the Sonoda and Lawson, I was screaming because when Sonoda pit, and then we thought that he's gonna come before Lawson. Because it was close, right? But then Lawson was ahead of Sonoda.
Kay JJ na, kay JM na po yun. Kasi ako lang doon, tinitignan ko lang ganito yung
And we were discussing that we wanted Sonoda to actually overtake him. Kasi it has so much meaning na si Lawson yung...
Kasi di ba dati sila yung pinagpilian?
Yes, Lawson was in Red Bull before, and then after just 2 races, he was transferred to Racing Bulls, and then Yuki's having a hard time in Red Bull up until now.
Ito yung highest
Position ni Yuki in a Red Bull.
That's good.
Yes, yes.
And I mean, congratulations, Lawson. At saka Yuki, it's a good position, basically.
So he qualified 6th and finished 6th.
There you go. Doon na lang natin tingnan. Si Lawson started at 3rd, finished at 4th? 5th.
5th. Yes.
Sino man 4th?
Sino na nga ba ang 4th? Kimi.
Si Kimi. Okay.
Yes,
That's good. At least ano siya din. Maintain his
he maintained his qualifying position. At one point, he was he was closer to Carlos for the podium. Yes. May interview pala si Yuki. Because they've asked like if he did try to overtake Lawson.
Especially McLaren behind, and thinking about championship and both team and driver championship for Max. There are a lot of opportunities. I could probably go inside and attack Liam, but there's a lot more risk that maybe McLaren will overtake both of us or either rejoin behind me, which he will step up one more grid. So I think as a Red Bull, you don't want to have that, and I think I did the right decision. Especially McLaren.
McLaren.
Yes, the McLaren errand blunder over the
Ano nangyari doon?
I don't know what happened to Oscar. I think it's not the real Oscar.
Sabi nga,
It was so uncharacteristic, so not him.
so ano explanation niya?
But it started in qualifying, right? Because
Uh-uh.
he crashed, so he's just P9. So at the back of his mind, he needs to gain the position. So, but I'm not sure if that's true because Lando is just like 7. There's only like who's P8? I'm not sure who's P8. 7. Si Lando, then another person in the 8th position, and then Oscar. So it's not too much, right? Like you could just have followed Lando, but then you probably
Masyado siyang
yes, so which is not, maybe we don't know him in real life, so maybe the
hindi na siguro siya sanay na nandun siya sa likod.
Exactly, that's what I said, like he doesn't know how to do the driving. So maybe siya na parang si Max na.
Correct, yung parang ang position na usually is nasa 2, 1, 2, 3 lang ako. Ngayon nasa 9, masyado niya.
But he didn't start correctly. So, yun, di ba, may 5 red lights.
Yeah.
So he jumped the start.
Ayun nga, masyado na siya, baka natakanta or something.
Parang sobrang nag-anticipate, over-anticipate. So he started before the 5 red lights, so he braked. And then he anticipated, he got started.
Okay.
All the cars around him were going. And then finally, when he get to start the car, maybe that's when he panicked. He tried to gain more positions and then he lost the car and put it on the wall on lap 1. And
No, wala pa ako hindi late ako pumasok. Nabasa ko na yung
that's all what happened in the race.
Correct. Yung sinabi naman, I mean,
So of course, diba, everyone
give the
British bias comment.
Ganito na lang. Anong difference ng points before Baku started between...
So it was 31. It was 31 points, right? Because we had that big debate.
Correct.
In Monza. So it was 31. So now Oscar's gone in the race. So it's Lando. Parang it's his to capitalize. Think yung mga British commentators nga, guys, napaka talaga. Hindi ba na, oh my God, Oscar is in the wall. Ganun. Wala mo lang ganung reaction. Oh, this is Lando's chance. Ganun talaga sila kaga. Talagang wala mo lang pag-grieve. But anyways, so they were all saying na ito na nga, he should capitalize. Which is normal.
Correct.
Dapat naman, dapat may ganung mindset to, gain as much. But then, I think it's also down to their strategy. Because Max strategy to start hard was actually good. They never tested the hard tires during the weekend. But then, Max said if there's because there's a lot of red flags, right? Lots of crashes, so it could be lots of safety cars.
Yeah.
So we were saying, no, let's go with the harder compound, so it will last longer. I can stay out, I can keep my position. So see, it's all the winners actually, all who have like
Yung nag-podium.
no, except Carlos, because Carlos was on medium when he started. But Max was on hards. Russell, that's why George gained position, because he started 5th and he ended up 2nd. He was able to undercut the other guys. He started hards, so he was able to stay longer.
Okay, yeah.
The rest of them pitted. Lando started medium. So, yun. So, parang part na rin kasi ng downfall niya yun, yung strategy. Tapos, ang hirap din maka-overtake. So,
Kasi maliit yung...
No, I don't know why. Usually, Baku is a good track to overtake.
Okay, yep.
As you saw, it's only a few of them can overtake.
Correct.
Yes.
So, sandali. Anong naging position dapat ni Lando para...
Well, he only gained 6 points during this race.
Kung nanalo siya, ilang points yun?
That's 25 points.
Okay.
So if he had won, so 31 minus 25.
6 na lang,
So, but no,
Okay.
it went to Max.
So, 6 na nakuha niya.
6 points lang, so 25 points. But 25 points is one race win. So
Correct.
It's still open.
Correct.
The championship is still open. Max is coming. You know?
Anong difference ni Max and ni
Ni
Oscar?
69.
Sa mga
69 points. So, if he wins all of these 7 races,
Tapos puro
including the sprint.
DNF nga, yun nga.
No, not even DNF, just 2 or 3.
2 or
Right? So, it could happen. But, if anyone who's gonna have a perfect 7 races, if they have, if they've got the car, it's Max. He can do it.
Exactly.
The question is the car.
Correct.
The question is the car, right? But yeah, so it was a missed opportunity for Lando, I would think, or for McLaren.
Na,
Yeah, to.
pero leading pa rin sila sa...
Kaya si Oscar, ang relax niya nanonood siya. He's only gaining 6 points anyway. I'm still the championship.
Correct, exactly. Tapos, hindi naman nag-step up si Lando, so carry na.
Yes.
Pag-usapan natin ngayon yung si Carlos. Okay na si...
Yes,
Gusto mo
yes.
discuss si George, number
So
2?
George, I'll give credit to George.
Okay.
He was sick, and the Mercedes,
Yeah.
they did the split strategy. So they started George on hards, Kimi on medium, and it was a good execution for the whole team. So
To finish second and fourth.
exactly,
Yeah.
right. So at one point, George was running third, Carlos was second. Carlos was already worried that they will get undercut by George because he's closing in. And then, so Carlos pitted before George to prevent the undercut, but then George stayed even longer. And then when he pitted, he came up, still second,
Yep.
ahead of Carlos. So that was a good strategy from Mercedes. Well,
Tsaka
that's
si
the
Kimi, and at least he's still the highest rookie. So, at least he's back. Kasi last week, pinag-usapan natin
Yes. So last
na
week,
parang nawawala ng turn ni JD, nawawala ng spark niya or something.
Tsaka nag-ano na rin si Toto sa kanya na parang
Nangyayari sa iyo.
yung ganyan.
Oo.
At least,
So, good job,
he showed that, he's still got it.
Exactly. I mean, so close. Imagine that.
Yes. So yes. And then, ang biggest winner ko si Carlos.
Carlos, exactly. I think
Carlos,
that's-
I'm proud of you!
operator or something.
During the, I'm not sure if you're still watching that time. I think you were
I was
when they were interviewing.
May mga kumakanta.
Yeah, they were playing it in the race track. This Carlos Radio, he sang. Right? This is my first smooth operation in Williams. And then the racetrack DJ.
I don't know nila sa.
Smooth operation. So he had the loudest cheer in the podium.
Correct.
The biggest winner is Carlos and James Vowles. James Vowles.
Correct.
Yes, I'm so happy for Carlos because everyone was saying that he was having a hard time in Williams. But he's not, before he joined Williams, when they've announced, they were saying that, he's gonna outshine Albon.
Okay.
So he's in Ferrari, he's winning in Ferrari, so he's gonna outshine Albon, but then Albon also stepped up. So now you can see that, they're actually bringing each other out. That whole team has a really good vibes with James Vowles on the helm. So and this time, like Carlos was saying that I have been feeling really good. It's just not showing in my results because there's some bad luck that's happening. But I knew this is coming. Sabi niya ganun. And yung commentators were saying that he's used to be in the top positions.
Correct.
So he knows what to do. He doesn't panic. Like even when George overcut him, I don't want to bother. Trying to overtake George or trying to catch him. I'd rather keep this podium position on third and defend from Kimi. So he knows what to. He even said to his engineer in the radio, "Give it to me."
There you go. Kasi naman, kumbaga, correct. He knows what to do.
Yes.
Correct.
And
Exactly.
That's what they're saying. That's why James hired him. It's for his racing brain and his strategic brain as well. well. So I'm so happy.
I still find him the most good-looking.
Really, not
Oh,
Charles.
hindi. I mean,
Charles.
siguro it's the, it's the...
It's the Spanish.
correct. Carlos.
Carlos.
You answered a lot. There you go. Good job on Carlos. Congratulations, Carlos. And as always, Max and George.
Oh, there's a funny story between Carlos and Charles.
Carlos and Charles.
Carlos and Charles. So they apparently go on the same plane together, going back home to Monaco. But then there was a typhoon and they can't land straight in Monaco, so they had to land somewhere in Italy and then hire a van and then drive to Monaco. So yes.
From
Wala.
France siguro.
Naalala yung the
At least correct. I mean,
with Charles Hart.
correct. It only shows yung relationship pa rin ng
They
dalawa.
have
Correct,
very
yeah.
French. Actually, Carlos,
Kumbaga hindi nag-assume si Carlos nung hindi siya ang alam naman niya yata.
Yes,
You were
he
telling me
is.
before.
Carlos actually, you can tell from his personality, from the way he's loved by the team that he moves into na he has that effect. Yung tawag nila science effect. Kasi from McLaren, love na love din siya nila. Hanggang pati tatay ni
Talaga?
sila nag-golf, oo. Kasi hindi naman din siya pinakawalan ng McLaren eh.
Siya ang
Ferrari
of
offered.
course. Lahat naman yan.
If Ferrari offered the position to you. Gumawa pa sila ng video for Carlos nung balik siya ng McLaren na please take care of him, parang gano'n.
Aww.
So, tapos ito si Ferrari, bago din siya umalis ng Williams, meron din silang video for side. So, ano talaga siya, he's ano mo yun, he's a popular person in the band. Everyone likes Carlos.
Sige na nga, sa susunod magpapalit na ako. Kuha tayo ng
Williams.
Williams.
Si James Bowles.
Williams siya ka
Williams and
kasi gusto ko talaga si
Red
Max. I've got
Bull.
Max.
Red
I've got a
Bull.
Red Bull cap anyway, so I'm fine
Yes.
with that. So that's for the Baku race. It's
yes. Well, we say it's an eventful, but then we still have a lot to.
Exactly,
I
correct.
still have a lot to waffle on.
panoorin niyo yung F1 in the dark. F1 in the dark.
Parang sila kumakain na lang doon. Sila
Sila ng sigaw at sigaw. But anyhow, saan yung next race?
We're going to Singapore.
There you go. Next
It's
week
a
na
night
next week.
race.
That's
Yes,
this
that's this coming race.
Okay,
weekend.
yeah. Ninth race.
It's a night
Ninth.
race.
Parang anong race
Under
na
the
ito?
lights.
4, 5,
Pang ilan na nga ba?
17.
Yes.
Yung math ko bigla na to.
So,
It's a night
ang dami
race.
kasing races, hindi hirap na magbilang.
Kaya nga.
So, yun. So, it's a night race under the lights. It's a street circuit as well. And it's super hot. Ito, Singapore is the race where they've trained since the start of the season. Because it's too hot in the cockpit. They will lose a lot of weight after the race. Sometimes 3 kilos even. Something like that.
Ganon.
That's sobrang physically challenging for them. Because it's a fast racetrack as well, so with G-forces. And so they're training very hard for this and Qatar. Because it's hard. Yes. So we'll see what happens in Singapore.
Correct. Sino nanalo last week? Last year?
Last year, it was Lando. Let me check. It was Lando.
Every episode, tinatanong ko sa kanya.
It was Lando, Max, and then Oscar. I think. Wait, hang on.
Okay.
Yeah, Lando, Max, Oscar, George, and Charles.
Lando, Max, Oscar, George, and Charles.
Mm.
Okay, so ibebet ulit natin?
Yes, I think McLaren hopefully can get their act together if they
Okay.
wanna keep the drivers' championship.
Yeah.
Bago tayo mag-bet,
Ano?
may tanong pala ako.
Oh.
Gusto mo i-park natin for checker dot.
Alin yun?
Do you think McLaren should put their eggs in one basket now?
Kay Oscar na lang, gano'n?
Since he's leading. Because Max is, Nahirapan siya. As a Lando fan, ang hirap nung tanong ko.
Oo, fan kasi ako ni Lando. Pero, sandali. Kasi, constructor?
Oo.
Yung constructor, wala na yun. Kanila na
They
talaga
can
yun.
win in Singapore. They were
Either way, kahit
sobrang
layo na nun. So,
it's the drivers.
ikaw nga,
So,
kasi
Oscar.
alam ko yata sa ko kasi
And
gusto mo pa rin lumalaban si Lando eh.
Parang
I think feeling ko paglalabanin pa rin.
they will still,
Kasi nga,
get true to their mantra.
Correct.
Let them, we have
Wala silang favorite child. Sabi niya. Although daming means
Although
nun.
last year, it's a different situation kasi last year si Max yung nananalo, yung ahead. Tapos it was Lando and then Oscar who's trying to gain on Max. But I think after Monza, they already said that they will back
After
Lando.
itong last
year.
Last year
Grand
na
Prix.
Monza, okay.
Last Grand Prix.
Oo.
So they said that they will help Lando. They will support Lando as much as they can to challenge Max. So nag-decide sila nun.
Okay. Oh, there you go. So,
But I'm not sure what will they do this year though. Because it's too close, right? Like, it's just one race win away. One DNF from Oscar.
might as well paglabanan nila para may sumabay kay Ma. Parang
It's embarrassing if Max wins.
dahil
Like, they were so far ahead. And because they can't decide who to back, then suddenly Max will win by 1 point. Can you
Yeah.
imagine? It's embarrassing.
Pero-
Lose the driver's championship that way.
dahil hindi sila matagal na naman usapan to, mamaya na.
Yes. It just occurred to me.
For correct. For I was caught off guard, but for entertainment purposes, I would want them to,
I mean, as a fan,
exactly.
yes, as a
That's
fan,
right,
I
as a
would
fan.
want them to race.
Correct.
And Max too. Let it be a three-way.
There you go.
fight.
Para manalo si Max, why might as well?
Ayun pala yung bias mo.
Might as well.
So, yung sabi mong bias mo nung umpisa na si Lando to win the World
Oo.
Championship. Ngayon, nagiging Max kayo.
Kaya ay Diyos ko naman. For the Singapore race,
Yes.
gagawin ko lang 3-peat to, si Max ang ilalagay.
Yeah, oh my God! Natatakot na ako pag nag-predict si Bella. Nagkakatotoo. Yeah.
Imagine if this is a third win for Max.
Oh my God!
And a third win for me.
McLaren will be panicking.
Above
if
you.
they, because Singapore is not the usual track that Red Bull wins, but then Max was second last.
Correct, exactly. Baka, alam mo, nandun yung drive niya na,
Exactly, yes.
Has he ever won Singapore?
Yeah, he did.
Okay. Yeah, may napanood yata akong Drive to Survive na yung silang dalawa ni Hamilton. May ganun dati.
Yes.
Sino ka? Lando? Ay, Oscar? Ay, kay JJ si Oscar eh. Gusto mong kunin. Wala siya eh.
Ako naman yung bad luck ni Lando kasi tuwing siya yung pinipredict ko, hindi siya makausad-usad. Yung kahit wala na si Oscar, guys, hindi pa rin siya yung panalo.
Ayaw mo nang mahindigan si Charles. Bilang ikaw yung Charles
Si
fan.
Charles, ang hirap kasi ng kotse. Let's do top 3. Let's
sige.
do top 3.
Top 3. Okay, sige. Sino top 3 mo?
Ikaw muna. So,
Max?
Max is your first. Ako sige
Max?
si Lando pa rin yung
And
first.
si Oscar.
Oscar sa'yo.
Then si...
Second. Dapat iba second ko na para hindi tayo pareho.
Well, okay lang din. Kumbaga, ang pag-alalabanan natin is yung galing nating mag-ranking. Regardless kung sino yung Kung sino. Oo.
Sige, Lando, then Oscar, then Charles. Ako.
At hanggang hindi mo papasok si Max?
Ay, shit! Oh my gosh! Ang hirap! Guys, ang hirap!
Ako,
Sige, Lando, Oscar, then Charles pa din ako.
Charles?
Lando, Oscar, Charles. Maybe Max.
Talaga'y pagpipilitan mo si Charles.
Lando, Oscar, Max na nga lang.
Max?
Tapos si Charles Ford. Taga mo sa Ford. Para lang kayo.
May singit lang
Para
ako
lang
si Charles.
si Charles.
Lando yung third ko. Sige.
So,
Pinag-ano lang natin.
Max, Oscar, Lando.
Oo.
Lando.
Mall.
Lando,
Ikaw
Oscar, Max.
ikaw ay Lam.
Yeah, Lam.
Si kagawa natin si JJ.
Oo.
Wala, ano na lang natin to. Bale sa kanya si...
Itatanong ko siya.
Si Oscar.
I-add ko sa edit.
Malamang si Oscar yung one niya.
Yeah.
Hindi, wala na siyang choice. Hindi niya pwedeng Oscar, tapos...
Hindi na yung ever ikaw ang decide. Executive decision. Oscar, Max.
Lando. Ayaw na si Lando eh.
There you go, guys.
There you go, guys.
Hirap mag-bet. Ang dami naming biases.
Exactly. May kanya-kanyang ano.
Yes.
So that's it for our 4th episode.
Like and subscribe.
Grandstand Gossip. Good night. Bye-bye.
Bye.